Good morning guys, in front of me is iPad from 2025 and let me show you how to apply Kaleidoscope wallpaper. So start with enrolling the settings. Then choose wallpaper if you are in any other area, just locate it and enroll. Mark add new wallpaper. And here pick Kaleidoscope. For example, this one. Then swipe between styles if you are still not sure which one you want. And mark add. Finally set it either as a wallpaper pair or customize your home screen separately, but I like to set it as a pair. And that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.